Starbucks Tagaytay, and I heard this is a popular place. As you can see, the Christmas tree is very cool. Okay, so over here, just wait. Over here, there are so many products are held right here. So I gotta show you something way cooler, and that the balcony. As you can see, the balcony looks so cool. Here, right over there. Right there, I saw they had an island. Then they have so many lights. That's where the cities are from. Ah, let me get lower. As you can see, try to not drop my phone right here.